Hey guys, what's up here? Deathwolf here. By the way, so the reason why I'm out here filming, my mom found a baby bird after a very rough storm that came through. Its nest fell out of the tree, and my mom helped it a little bit, and it just took off out of our fence area and basically hopped out of the fence area and hasn't flown off. Anyway, he's right there. Let me zoom in for you. There he is. Hello, guy. Hi. I don't know where the mom bird is. Right there. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he has feathers on. He could take off. He just needs to learn how. Still. He's definitely old enough to fly, but he hasn't gotten to yet. Uh-oh. Hello, guy. Hope he doesn't go into the crack of that fence over there. Oh my god. Scared me. The neighbors are opening the garage door. No. Okay. Where'd he go? 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 He's very hard to see in tall grass, but he's right there. Ooh, my camera's blurring out for some reason. Whoa. There he is. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video, guys, but leave a like and subscribe.